How to install vanity cabinet in bathroom. So your first step would be to gather tools and materials. So start by getting all your tools and your new vanity ready. You're going to need a vanity cabinet, a drill, screws, leveler, measuring tape, a silicone sealant, and an adjustable wrench. Now with everything ready and accounted for, all you need to do is simply turn off the water and remove old vanity. So turn off your water supply and simply disconnect the plumbing and remove the old vanity if there is one. And then once you've done that, go ahead and measure your space and position the new vanity cabinet where it will be installed. Make sure it's centered and aligns with your plumbing. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and level the cabinet itself by using a level to ensure the cabinet is perfectly straight and adjust with shims if needed. Now, once that's done, you can now secure a vanity to the wall by drilling screws through the back of the cabinet into the wall studs to secure it firmly. And after that, just go ahead and reconnect your plumbing back in place and then simply seal around the edges using your silicone sealant where the vanity meets the wall to prevent water damage. All right.